How to fix Telegram code not sending problem on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Telegram not sending the verification code problem on Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step that you'll need to take is head over to your settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. After you open that up, you'll then need to head over to your connections or your network and internet. Tap on network and internet, or if you see connections, you can tap on that. After you do that, there you will find different options. The place that you'll need to go is your mobile data or your SIM. After you're there you will see an option that says roaming. So if this is not turned on, you can turn it on, or if it is already turned on, you can simply turn it off and then turn it back on. After you do that, you can then head back, and after you head back, the first thing that you'll need to do is check if Telegram has any updates available. So locate your Play Store and then open it up. Then simply search for Telegram. And after you find Telegram, check if there is an update available. If there is, tap on the update button and then update your app. If you don't have an update and if nothing works, you can always search for Telegram X. So this is a different version of Telegram by the same company, but it's also completely safe to use. So you can simply download this app, tap on the install button, and start setting up your Telegram in this. And if you don't want Telegram X, and if you want your normal Telegram, you can always just use a VPN to try and set up your Telegram again. So you can download a VPN. I recommend SuperVPN. So you can open a VPN app and then connect to a region. So you can press on the connect button and then connect your VPN to and then simply go to your Telegram and then start the verification again. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.